We are back again on the streets. Just kind of converting the dress they have, like $50. It's like 560 rupees, which I kind of find it to be expensive because most of the stuff is coming from China. It's right here. So guys, it's really cold here. Damn, I never expected it to be cold. And this is like the parkway. It's more like a walking tour of Hong Kong street. This place is called Tsim Sha Tsui station. I hope I did give some or did some justice to that name. Kind of craving some food. I don't know what should I try right now. So I've been walking around the street earlier. Oh, look at the dog there. Guys, there's 7-Eleven literally almost everywhere. This is something I kind of missed in the Philippines because they had very limited 7-Elevens. But here, nah. That's all you can find everywhere. People are being so respectful about the jaywalking stuff. I'm not sure if jaywalking is kind of legal or illegal here, but yeah, everyone respects it. Oh, Rolex. See the price of Rolex. It's good. Patek Philippe Rolex 80. And all these are, guys, I think it's all legit. It's not like fake pieces. I think for shopping it's gonna be crazy. I don't know when to start, what to start, what to buy, what not to buy. There's a lot of stuff here, guys. Those are pretty dope, decent stuff. You can buy souvenirs and stuff. It's a good reasonable price. Circle K. But the best thing is I wouldn't struggle for getting a souvenir like in the Philippines. Here it's like almost everywhere. Maybe I can get a Philippines souvenir also from here, I guess. Guys, anywhere you see, you find like crazy, you know, like luxury stuff, Chanel or LV or anything, everywhere. And that's really fascinating. Bitcoin, crypto. Yeah, they do accept crypto, by the way. If you really don't know, if you have some coins, there you go. Splurge in some stuff here. So right now I'm heading to Apple store. So let's see what and how the kind of stuff they have here right now. And I'm sure you wouldn't find any pieces, but still, what if? Right, never say never. Guys, just look at this D&G, Moncler, Armani. These people literally have like a full-fledged, you know, stores of everything. When I say everything, literally everything. Gold. I don't know if the gold is cheap here. Kind of feel like it's Dubai vibe. Oh, they have a perfume shop here. It's cheap. So they do sell Apple here. And this is the, when I say they do sell Apple, they sell the you know, phone outside, because you don't get a ready piece here. And this is the Apple store, guys. Let me see if they have a piece.